Karina
Matias?
from Clovis, California. We noticed that our house was not cooling down, and we knew that we needed to get some kind of insulation done. Tyson Energy Solutions did an amazing job with our attic restoration.
Pretty much immediately we noticed that the temperature was staying constant longer. The AC was not working as hard. It wasn't turning on as many times throughout the day. And, we've been in some pretty high heat. So pretty much noticeable right from the beginning.
They've noticed that it's a lot cooler. They're able to be in there and they feel more comfortable.
So we feel confident based on our experience that, we would be able to recommend Tyson without any hesitation.
And I would like to add that everybody was very professional. They explained every step of the process and they were available to answer all our questions.